After their very successful pairing in Gully Boy, Alia and Ranveer might soon be back on screen together in a film to be directed by none other than Alia's mentor, Karan Johar. While Alia and Ranveer were to be seen together in the magnum opus Takht, the pandemic and the shuffling around of projects has meant that Karan is planning to finish work on other productions before he can dedicate time to this huge multi-starrer.
Guys, Ranveer और आलिया का टाइम आ गया है. After their super successful pairing in the film Gully Boy, which was a massive hit, the two seem to be all set to be paired once again in a romantic comedy, this time produced by Dharma Productions and directed by Karan Johar. Now, this has happened only because of the delay of Takht. Alia, who's already the blue-eyed girl of Dharma Productions and has done a number of films with them, will be once again directed by Karan Johar, but Ranveer, on the other hand, has never been directed by Karan. So this will be really interesting to see. For now, here's the story.
पैंडेमिक की वजह से करण का मैग्नम ओपस प्रोजेक्ट तख्त काफी डिले हो गया है, लेकिन द प्रोड्यूसर डायरेक्टर इज ट्राइंग टू मेक द मोस्ट ऑफ दिस सिचुएशन बाय ग्रीन लाइटिंग अदर प्रोजेक्ट्स व्हाइल ही कैन मेक द टाइम टू रिज्यूम वर्क ऑन तख्त. Recently, we hear that Kiara Advani and Varun Dhawan Dharma के एक upcoming film में एक साथ दिखेंगे, and now rumor has it that Karan, who has been working on a script for quite some time now, has decided to rope in his favorite Alia and Ranveer, who he has never worked with before, to be the lead pair in the film. A source has shared, Karan is most likely to direct the rom-com. Ranveer and Karan have discussed the idea and the filmmaker has spoken to Alia as well for the same. He is mostly likely to make an announcement soon. It so happens that both Ranveer and Alia had given their dates to Karan for Takht, but with the movie getting delayed, Karan उसी schedule में एक और film squeeze करना चाहते हैं. Ranveer and Alia are both popular stars and great actors and also share a great equation and friendship off screen as well. This is yet another big project for Alia, whose film Sadak 2 releases on an OTT platform this month. She also has Brahmastra with Ranbir Kapoor, Gangubai Kathiawadi and RRR in the pipeline. Ranveer was supposed to be seen in the film 83 and Jayesh Bhai Jordar this year, but the release of both these films have been delayed. He also has a cameo in Suryavanshi, which may get a Diwali release depending on the pandemic situation then. We can wait to get lots more details about this exciting new project, and if we can, guess this is going to be a completely commercial entertainer with lots of CT Mar moments to enjoy.